What makes Beach House unique is mag-explore yung eyes ng customer. I'm Jolita De Leon, co-founder and one of the partners of Beach House. So Beach House is a cafe slash refillery slash shop of so many things. The Beach House is a collection of most of the things na we love. Travel, coffee, there's art, I find vintage clothing downstairs, and then we also have shelves for artists who want to sell their things. When you step in, hindi siya nakaka-intimidate when you go to a cafe na parang, hala, hindi ko alam orderin ko. We're also blessed with our baristas kasi magaling rin silang mag-communicate and they're very good at making the customer feel at ease. We let our baristas experiment from time to time. And then, when they come up with something na masarap, they'd let us taste it. Oh, pwede to. Sige, go. Serve it under you. So, Sarah, one of the partners and the owner of Beachborn, she was looking for a space. She wanted a cafe aspect. When paparefill ka sa Beachborn, pwede kang mag-coffee muna while waiting. So what makes Beach House unique is there's so many things to see. When you go in, mag-explore yung eyes ng customer. Not only dun sa cafe aspect niya, but you know, may products ng Beachborn, may beach shelf. So in a way, parang mini adventure siya.